Namaskar and welcome back to Stat Skill Hub. I'm Dr. Asha Jindal. In today's session, you will learn how to compute descriptive statistics in Jamovi, including mean, median, standard deviation, and many other summaries. In my last video, I have explored histograms to visualize how data behaves. Today, I will take it one step further by quantifying that behavior using descriptive statistics, and this topic is the foundation of all data analysis. In this video, I will cover five key things: what descriptive statistics are, how to run them in Jamovi, how to choose the right statistics, and finally, how to interpret and report results in APA format. So stay till the end. Interpretation is the most important part. Descriptive statistics help us summarize and understand data. There are three main types. Central tendency tells about the center. Mean, median, mode. Variability tells about the spread through standard deviation, variance, range, interquartile range, IQR. Shape tells us the distribution pattern, skewness and kurtosis. In upcoming video, we will also check normality using the Shapiro-Wilk test, which is very important for further analysis. This screen display how to run descriptives in Jamovi. Now let's move to Jamovi. To compute descriptive statistics, I have used Auto MPG dataset, which has miles per gallon, MPG, cylinders, displacement, horsepower, weight, acceleration, year, origin, name of automobile, details. To compute descriptive statistics, I will first click on Analysis tab, then move to Exploration, click on Descriptives, drag MPG variable to Variables column box, and you will notice results appear instantly on the right side. No run button needed. This is one of Jamovi's best feature. I can add in many other variables and result will be one and the same. No enter button is required, but results appear instantly. If you wish, you can split by non-metric variable, means nominal or ordinal variable. You can move ordinal or nominal variable for split purpose. So data gets divided. Here five categories are there, and under each, by default, all the options of descriptive statistics were available, become visible on screen. If I wish, I can select variables across rows and result changes in this format. I'm moving back non-metric variable to original list so I can talk about other statistics. Now, when you click on statistics, you will see that these many by default options are available. If you wish, you can, under central tendency, you can tick mark mode and sum. Under dispersion, variance, range, interquartile range. Under distribution, skewness, kurtosis. Under mean dispersion, standard error of mean. If you wish, you can even mark outliers. And on this result, you can import it as shown earlier. Now let me go back to my presentation. Now comes the important part, selecting statistics. You can choose central tendency. Under central tendency, mean, median, mode, and sum is available. Under variability, standard deviation, variance, range, and interquartile range is available. Under distribution, skewness and kurtosis is available. Under percentile, Q1, Q2, Q3, and custom percentiles are available. Under standard error of mean for confidence interval is available. Always select statistics based on your research objective, not randomly. Now, let's interpret results is average value but sensitive to outliers. Median is better when data is skewed. Standard deviation tends about spread. Skewness near to zero means symmetric. Kurtosis near to zero means distribution is normal shape. If mean approximately equal to median implies distribution is approximately symmetric. This slide is extremely important for research students. Here I have shown you how to report. You must include sample size, mean M, standard deviation SD, range minimum to maximum, skewness and kurtosis, and normality test result. For example, the mean score was 75.4 with standard deviation 12.3. With the scores ranging from 45 to 98, the distribution was approximately symmetric. Good reporting gives higher marks to the students and researchers get better publications. Thank you. Happy learning.